Hey traders, welcome to Learn Trading with Thirumurugan Rajendran. Are you someone who wants to learn the Indian stock market without confusion? You are in the right place. Learn the Indian stock market simplified. I am Thirumurugan Rajendran, your trading coach and mentor. I have helped beginners like you simplify the stock market journey. In this channel, I'll simplify stock market concepts step by step. You will learn everything from basics like NSE and BSE to advanced tools like RSI, MACD, and VWAP. I also share strategies for intraday and swing trading, plus real case studies and live analysis. These are the topics that will be covered in this channel, like stock market basics and technical indicators, trading strategies, different tools and platform tutorials, and along with the question and answer sessions. It's just a clear trading knowledge that I'm sharing to my fellow traders. My mission is to make stock market learning very easy and practical and useful for everyone. These are the courses, these are the topics that I'm covering on my classes. And you can be part of this journey to learn. And please go through the disclaimer that I am not a registered advisor. All the content that I'm sharing is only for the educational purposes. Thank you.